Hey guys, good evening and welcome back again to your Unacademy NEET English channel. I hope all of you are doing well, all of you are doing great. So my dear students, a very important update has come from NTA side related to the exam pattern of the NEET 2025 examination. How this new exam pattern is going to affect the overall cutoff, how it's going to affect the overall difficulty level of the examination. All those things I'll be letting you know in this particular session, which is going to be very short and precise. So first of all, let's have a look on this notice, which has come like 1 hour before on the official site of NTA. Well, my dear students, I'm going to read this public notice for all of you so that you get to know what it's all about. The National Testing Agency has been conducting the NEET UG since 2019 on behalf of National Medical Commission. All NEET UG 2025 aspirants are hereby informed that the question paper pattern and the examination duration will revert to the pre-COVID format, where there will not be any section B anymore. Hence, there will be total of 180 compulsory questions, 45 questions each of physics and chemistry, and 90 questions from biology, which will be attempted by the candidates in 180 minutes and thereby removing any optional questions and extra time introduced due to COVID-19. Question paper pattern. The question paper will consist of 180 compulsory questions. The provision for optional questions introduced temporarily during the COVID-19 pandemic will no longer be available, right? Examination duration will be of 180 minutes. So let me quickly summarize this and let me exactly tell you how it's going to affect the overall cutoff. My dear students, have a look over here. So first of all, when you see the pre-COVID exam pattern, I hope all of you are familiar with the pre-COVID exam pattern, wherein there used to be 45 questions from your physics, 45 questions from your chemistry, and 90 questions from your biology. So in total, there used to be 180 questions. Pre-COVID examination pattern I'm talking about, right? There used to be total 180 compulsory questions, I must say. Compulsory questions, right? Now, due to the COVID, section B was introduced. I'll say due to the COVID, section B was introduced. Now, this section B, which was introduced during the COVID time, this section B has been removed from now onwards. So your NEET 2025 examination is going to be in the same manner as it used to be in the year 2018, in the year 2019, right? And my dear students, let me exactly tell you, in the year 2018, in the year 2019, right? What used to be basically the difficulty level of the examination. If you see the paper of 2018, first of all, I would highly recommend you guys to check the NEET 2018 paper, NEET 2019 paper, right? You'll exactly get to know the difficulty level of the examination. And let me tell you, the difficulty level of the examination in 2018 was basically moderate. It was moderate, right? Now, from last 4 or 5 years, the question papers were like, the questions were coming out to be very easy in the last 4 or 5 years. But if you check the paper of 2018, 2019, the question paper was moderate. So my dear students, the NTA is going to repeat the same format. That means the difficulty level of the examination is going to increase. That means the difficulty level of the examination is going to increase. It's going to be similar to that of what you used to see in the year 2019, 2018, etc. So what will happen due to that? Definitely due to that, your cutoff, which was supposed to be which used to be very, very high from last 3-4 years, this year, you are not going to have the same cutoff. Like last year, you had the cutoff of 650, 640. This year, you can expect the very low cutoff. Very low cutoff means if last year it was like 650 was the cutoff, approximately this year, if they are going to repeat the same pattern as it used to be in 2018, 2019, then definitely from 650, it can reduce between 610 to 630 for sure. So this is going to be the expected one. Perfect. So my dear students, one thing I would recommend all of you to do right now, go check the NEET 2018 paper, go check the NEET 2019 paper, understand the difficulty level of the examination, right? See what kind of the questions are asked, right? Earlier in those days, I must say, there used to be questions like, in one question, there used to be like two concepts involved. But if you see like last 4 or 5 year papers, in every question, only one concept is involved, right? Back in 2018, 2019, in each question, almost 2 concepts used to be involved. So similar type of pattern you are going to see in the NEET 2025 examination. And my dear students, the consequence of that is going to be the level of the examination is definitely going to increase a bit, right? The level of the examination is definitely going to increase a bit, due to which your cutoff automatically is going to reduce. My dear students, it's not a bad news. Let me tell you very honestly, it's not a bad news. It's a very good news. It's an amazing news for all the NEET aspirants, right? Because more the cutoff, more difficult is for you to crack this particular examination. Lesser the cutoff, it's going to be easier for you to crack this particular examination, right? So understand, let me quickly recap all the things again. The questions in your NEET 2025 examination are going to be in total 180. All these 180 questions will be compulsory. Section B is completely removed, right? The paper pattern is going to be of the similar nature of as of your 2018-2019 pattern, due to which the difficulty level of the examination might increase and cutoff automatically will decrease, right? So people, kindly look at 2018-29 papers, try to solve them right now at this particular point of time, and understand the difficulty level of the paper, understand the type of the questions which used to be asked in the year 2018-2019, so that you get familiar with the NEET 2025 examination. So this was one very quick update from the NTA. One more update, a few days back, one update came about the APAR card. You were supposed to make the APAR cards. And yesterday, one more update came from NTA that APAR cards are not mandatory, right? So there is no need to make the APAR cards at all. Perfect. So these were the 2 quick updates. With this particular update, which I told you right now, perfect. It's a good news for all of you. It's not a bad news. Take this in positive direction. By means of this particular update, I must say your cutoff is going to decrease. That's a good news. That is actually the good news, my dear students, right? I hope you got to know the new paper pattern. And one more thing, your examination timing is also changed. Earlier, you used to have 3 hours, 20 minutes. From last 3-4 years, you used to have 3 hours, 20 minutes to solve the NEET paper. But now it's not going to be 3 hours, 20 minutes. It's exactly going to be 3 hours, right? So basically for every question, 1 minute is going to be there with no optional questions at all, right? So take care. God bless you all. And there is one very important announcement which I'm coming up with for all the NEET 2025 aspirants. And that announcement I'll be taking tomorrow exactly at 8 p.m. on this particular channel, which is definitely going to ease out your preparation for sure. So do not forget to join me tomorrow exactly at 8 p.m. It is going to be an amazing, super surprise, a super gift for all of you, so that you can crack this particular examination with an amazing score. So take care. God bless you all and love you all, guys. Bye-bye.